anywhere. So let me show you how we move from this style to two different styles. So I'm going to be showing you. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today's video is all about this hair. So this is how I take care of my hair underneath the wig. And I'm just going to go ahead and use this leave-in conditioner. I'm going to spray it. I always do this when I'm going to wear a wig. I do it mostly in the mornings before I pop on my wig. This is how I care for my hair, and you can tell that my hair is pretty much clean. As you can tell, my scalp is good, and I've had this for the beginning of this month. You can actually wear your wig with your hair underneath, and your hair is well cared for. Massage it in. And this is the time where I use my oil, but because this leave-in conditioner has the oils and everything else that I need for my hair, so I don't like to tie it very tightly, but I'll tie my hair in a ponytail, a little bit more like this. And that's pretty much it. This hair was sent to me by HerGivenHair, so shout out to HerGivenHair for this beautiful wig. So this is a shake and go wig, literally shake and go. You don't need to take care of the lace. You don't need to glue down your wig. You don't need to use a gel. You just need a little bit of water and mousse to style this wig, and you're good to go. You pop it on and you're good to go. It's super easy and easy to maintain, easy to care for, and you're caring for it as if you're caring for your hair. This particular wig texture is a Coily 3C4A type. So you can see it's pretty much short because my hair is a bit on the shoulder length, but this is a 16-inch one, which I don't mind. Styling this wig is particularly very easy. So you can do twist outs, you can do braid outs, you can also just use your fingers to coil down the hair. For me, I just brushed through it. You know, I used my fingers a couple of times where it wasn't curling the way I wanted it to do, but for the most part, I used the brush to just kind of brush out the hair, and it will just naturally form its own curls. It's very easy to style. You can do braid outs, you can do twist outs, you can also finger coil, and that's pretty much it. And you can achieve any kind of look that you want. I'm gonna work on the rest of their hair quickly, but I've shown you how I am achieving these curls. This is the before, this is the after, and we're not yet done. Like, it has a really good curl pattern, which I absolutely love. It dries out very well and it doesn't disrupt my curls. You can leave it to air dry, which I usually do, but because of this video, I am not gonna let it air dry. I'm just gonna dry it with a blow dryer. It's gonna take me a bit because I'm just gonna be doing this for probably an hour. So let's see how it looks like after it dries out. So this is how it looks like after the curls dry. I feel like I need to fluff it out a little bit to give me that volume. Some hair is not yet dry. It's really shake and go. Perfect. My styles are so much better when they're old. So this is style number 1 with bangs. What do you guys think of this look? Let me show you how it looks at the back. If you're not interested in the bangs, there's another style, which is the half wig, that you can style using this wig, and I'm gonna show you how that looks. So you can wear it as a half wig, like this is another style that you can wear this wig as. So no bangs, no problem. Like, you cannot know that this is not my hair. Like, this is way too realistic for me. I like this style a lot. And I'm gonna put this on. This is a cute one. Yeah, nobody's gonna know. Even when it's a half wig, it's still very secure, okay? You have all the security you need. Doesn't this look good, guys? Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? This is a really good wig. And we're good to go, guys. Thank you so much, HerGivenHair, for sending this wig over. And if you're interested in this particular wig, I'm gonna leave the details in the description below, and check out HerGivenHair for any other style of wigs that you are interested in. They have everything that you need. They have good quality wigs with different styles, so check them out. If you want something different from what I'm showing you, you can find it in the information that I provided in the description below.